Hello guys! Good day to everyone. Meron tayo ulit clarification about insurance. Ang tanong natin dito is, Ate Sara, kung may insurance policy na ba ako and then later on na-diagnose na meron na akong sakit, mate-terminate po ba yung policy ko? The straight answer to this question is no. Hindi po. Hindi po mate-terminate ang policy mo dahil ang basis sa pag-approve ng insurance application is yung current situation or current health status mo or kung may past medical history ka. That's why lagi kong sinasabi sa mga kakilala ko na habang healthy pa, kumuha na ng life insurance. Mag-apply na ng life insurance. Kasi ang daming cases wherein kahit magkano pa or malaki pa ang amount na kayang ibayad for the policy, since si client is hindi na healthy and hindi na okay ang kanyang health status, madalas na de-decline or hindi na a-approve ang life insurance application. Mas mataas ang probability na ma-insured ka and syempre mas mababa ang insurance charges kapag mas bata kang nag-apply. Yun lang guys for today, and if you have any clarifications or questions, just send me a message. Bye!